Hi, I'm Nikki, Gleka's event planner and designer. Welcome to my winter wonderland here in Westport, Connecticut. This time of year, I think of the exterior as the wrapping for the perfect gift that all my friends and family can enjoy. So the moment you drive up my driveway, you're gonna be greeted with bright white lights, oversized wreaths, big red bows, and moving nutcrackers that play music to give you a little taste of what you'll see inside. I want to wow my guests as soon as they enter my home. So I've dressed the staircase in beautiful garland all the way up to the 3rd floor with a Christmas tree on each landing with a different theme. As you step into my family room, this big open space lends itself perfectly for holiday entertaining. So I've designed my holiday decor from the existing color scheme of my furniture. So that means lots of blues, grays, and white. And you can see that in my beautiful stockings that I've hung here so Santa doesn't miss our house, framing that with some snow-covered Christmas trees, nutcrackers, and reindeer. And for some added whimsy, I've placed these beautiful lit birch trees throughout my home. What I love here is they're festive without obstructing the natural light. When designing for the holidays, every inch of your home should be considered an opportunity to remind yourself why this is the best time of year. I think about the holidays all year long. So I designed this room knowing that we would have our main tree in this perfectly framed space. The great thing about having more than one tree is that I can give each one its own theme. The top floor, the tree is all about the kids. The middle landing is all about glam with lots of tinsel. But this tree is my wow. I brought in golds and silvers, different textures, lots of glitter that represent me, and of course the colors that are already in the room. Here by the tree is a great place for a cocktail, and I have the perfect one for you. I always joke around, no matter how big or small your home is, everyone always gravitates towards the kitchen. So here, my holiday decor is both functional and cohesive to my family room. Whenever I host, whether it's a large event or a family gathering, I always make a signature cocktail. This year, I'm mixing up a spicy cranberry margarita. To create this cocktail, we're gonna use our homemade cranberry simple syrup, some spicy tequila, fresh lime juice, top that with some club soda. To serve this drink, I'm gonna do a little sugar rim and our delicious margarita and some sugared cranberries. Cheers. So since I made my cranberry simple syrup, I took the opportunity to make these beautiful sugared cranberries, which are a perfect pop on my dining room tablescape. Let's go take a look. I wanted my dining room to be the epitome of modern elegance and for my guests to feel special when they sit down. I have not one but 2 Christmas trees that flank the window with matching neutral decor, which allow me to add pops of color to match my tablescape. This year's tablescape is inspired by this beautiful pomegranate tree. Pomegranate is a symbol of welcome in Greece and allowed me to add pops of red on my table. My traditional china and glassware match perfectly with my linens and napkin rings. And of course, glittered stars and tinseled trees are always invited to this party. To bring the whole look together, I added red berries in my Christmas trees, red wreaths on the windows, and of course, the sugared cranberries right here on the table. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I celebrate the holidays with my family and friends, and maybe even inspired you with some ideas for your next gathering. Cheers.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?